Hi! In front of me is OPPO A15s, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and tap on it. After that, choose Agree and tap on Allow in the pop-up. Then click on this red button to start recording. You can add a bookmark by tapping on this icon with a flag on it. And stop your recording by tapping on the red button again. If you wish to edit and save it though, tap on the check mark. Name it, choose Save. And as you can see, my recording is over here. You can always delete it by holding it, then selecting the delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!